Hello, welcome back to our English conversation series. At the end of the video, you can find the vocabulary used in this video and some tips.
Hey, guess where I am tonight?
Where?
Theatre.
Nice. What are you watching?
The Enchantment movie. It's magical.
Before we dive into the conversation, don't forget to download our free app for more engaging English practice sessions. You can find the download link in the description below or in the first comment.
Really? What's it about?
A world where dreams come to life. It's breathtaking.
Sounds amazing. Wish I could join. How's the atmosphere?
Electric. The anticipation in the air is so intense.
Enjoy every moment. Are the special effects as good as they say?
Better. It feels like I'm in another dimension.
Jealous. Next time, count me in.
Absolutely. You'd love this enchanting experience.
Have a magical time, my friend.
Thanks.
And that's a wrap for today's theater conversation. Remember, practicing English doesn't have to be daunting. With our app, you can improve your language skills while having fun with friends. Now, let's go over some of the vocabulary words and their meanings we used in today's conversation. Breathtaking. Breathtaking is something that is so beautiful, amazing, or impressive that it takes your breath away. Anticipation. Anticipation has a few different meanings, but the most common one is a feeling of excitement or eagerness about something that is going to happen in the future. Dimension. A dimension refers to the number of coordinates needed to specify a location. Enchanting. Enchanting means something is very charming and delightful. It suggests something that is so pleasing it almost feels magical. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to download our app.